Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add text to video in Shotcut. So if you would like to do it, first we need to do is select a part of video. So I click somewhere here and I press S from my keyboard, or I select this one icon, split at playhead. Then I click somewhere here and I repeat this action by clicking S or clicking this one icon. Now we need to select this one part of video and we need to go to filters, and then we need to click on icon with a plus. It will let us to add a new filter. So we need to type here text, and here we have some options to choose, but we are interested in to select here text simple. Then I change position of this slider, and how you see text has been successfully added here. We can edit this text by clicking here, and for example I type here simple text. Then we can change preset maybe to bottom right, and we can change color of the font by clicking here. For example, I select here red and I click OK. Of course, you can always check the font that you want to use, so I click here, and for example I select here super shiny. I do not change font style, but I will change size to 36 and I click OK. And how you see text has been successfully added here, so let's check how it works. I click somewhere here and I click play button. And how you see, it really works. It's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to check links in the description of this video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.